Spot gold on Friday rallied above the $1,400 level to reach its highest since September 2013, gaining a weekly boost of almost 5%, while gold futures made a similar move past $1,400 to post prices not registered since July 2014. The precious metal strength was mainly due to the Federal Reserve's change in outlook, which has reinforced expectations for 3 rate cuts this year and sent the US dollar down nearly 1%. Turkish assets edged higher on Monday after President Recep Tayyip Erdogan suffered a major blow as his candidate for Istanbul mayor conceded defeat during Sunday's mayoral election redo. Following the election's result, the lira rose to 5.72 overnight, while Turkey's main BIST 100 index gained some 2%. The banking index added over 3% and the 2-year benchmark bond yield slipped to 18.65% from Friday's 19.92%. Global stocks were down on Tuesday as risk appetite weakens after tensions in the Middle East intensified. As US President Donald Trump announced plans to implement sanctions that would forbid Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and his office access to financial resources. Dow futures shrunk 21 points while S&P 500 futures shed 4 points and the Nasdaq 100 futures declined 20 points, whereas European and Asian equities traded in the red as well, with China's Shanghai Composite falling 0.8%. Oil prices recovered on Wednesday after a brief drop as weekly figures from American Petroleum Institute showed a solid reduction in 7.6 million barrels in U.S. crude inventory. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures climbed 1.8% to $58.89 per barrel, while Brent oil futures were up 1.2% to $65.8 a barrel. The dollar hovered close to a 1-week high against the yen on Thursday, driven by optimism over trade talk developments, but investors remained wary ahead of the meeting between US President Donald Trump and his Chinese counterpart, President Xi Jinping, at a G20 summit in Osaka, Japan. The greenback slightly changed at 107.73 yen, having added around 0.6% overnight to 107.85 yen, its highest since June 20, after U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said the trade agreement between the U.S. and China is about 90% done.